Welcome back, children. So we learned in the previous video how to find the common multiples. Now we are moving into a new topic. Topic's name is LCM. Can you tell me what will be the full form of this? We have learned in chapter 4, HCF. What was HCF? Highest common factor. So what will be LCM, children? What will be LCM, children? LCM is the lowest common multiple. Out of the multiples which you have found out, common multiples which you have found out, you will take the lowest one, because we know common multiples there is no end. You can get as many common multiples as you want, but then we cannot find the highest in that. So in that we will find out the lowest common multiple. So that is written in short form LCM. Okay. So what is LCM? Lowest common multiple. LCM. The lowest common multiple of two or more numbers. I'm just giving you the definition. More numbers is the smallest number. HCF also is the greatest number. When it is LCM, it is the smallest number that can be divided by those numbers without leaving a remainder. Same like HCF. You should not leave a remainder. Remainder has to be 0 without leaving a remainder. It's the same definition of HCF. HCF, you have to find out the greatest number, so that when it divides, your remainder will be 0. When it comes to LCM, you have to take the lowest multiple, lowest common multiple, so that when you divide the numbers, remainder will be 0. So that is meant by LCM. Okay. So here also we are having two methods like how we did in HCF. First you will do with in HCF we did first common factor method and then prime factorization method. Here also you will be doing LCM with common multiple method, like what we did in the previous video, common multiple method, and then we will do prime factorization method also. Okay, children? So moving into the question. Question, find the multiples of each of these numbers find the multiples of each of these numbers and then find three common multiples and then find three common multiples and then find the LCM. Finally, find the LCM. Once you get the common multiples, you can get the LCM. What will be the LCM? LCM will be the lowest of all the common multiples. First question in that, 4, 8. Okay? Multiples of 4. Tell me what are the multiples of 4, children? Multiples of 4. Just tell the table of 4. That is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. I am stopping for the timing. Then multiples of 8. Which are the multiples of 8? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. I think that will be enough. We need only the first three common multiples. So, which are the common multiples, children? First one is 8, second one is 16 and the third one is 24. So you can write common multiples. Common multiples are 8, 16 and 24. They have asked you only first three common multiples. Okay. Now tell me what will be the LCM. Which will be the LCM? LCM will be 8. The lowest of all the common multiples. LCM will be the lowest of all the common multiples. You can see 8 is the lowest of all the common multiples. Okay. So LCM is equal to 8. Understood? We'll do for 3 numbers. Question B. 6, 8 and 12. I've taken 3 numbers. We're going to find out the multiples first. Multiples of 6. Yes, children, tell me which are the multiples of 6? 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. We'll stop for the time being. Multiples of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. Now if we'll see for 12, multiples of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60. I'll stop for the time being. We'll see whether we are getting the common multiples. Just see which will be the first common multiple, children. We are having, you can see 6, 12, 18. You can see 24 is the first common multiple. See, 24 is common for all the 3. So 24 is the first common multiple. Then, which will be the next one? Yes, we have got 48. We have got 48 as the next common multiple. Then to find out the next one, I think we'll have to extend it. So we'll see. We'll have to extend all the 3 numbers. This is 6 table, so 66, then you have 72. Okay. I can see 72 in 8 table, so I think we have in 12 also we are having 72. 12 5s are 60, 12 6 are 72. See? So I've got the third multiple now. See, this is the third multiple, 72. So the first 3 common multiples. Common multiples are Common multiples are 24, 48 and 72. And you can see this is the table of 24. 24 into 1, 24, 24 into 2, 48, 24 into 3, 72. Okay, children. So what is the LCM? LCM will be equal to 20. Okay, children. So it's very easy to write multiples. You just keep. If you don't know the table, 6 table you know till 6 11s are 66. Just count 6 and continue. Like that 8, count 8 and continue. 12, count. And that I've already told you an idea. Once you get the first common multiple, it's very easy to get the rest. You just have to find the multiples of that. Okay, children. Let's give you one more question. See, 3 and 6. Multiples of 3. Tell me what are the multiples of 3? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18. Then 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Then multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 are 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. I've already got the first 3 common multiples. So common multiples are, so the common multiples 6, 12 and 18. I've already got the first 3. So tell me children, what is the LCM? LCM is equal to 6. The lowest common multiple. You will do a homework question 9 and 12. Find out the multiples of 9, find out the multiples of 12. From that find out first 3 common multiples and then find the LCM. Okay children? Thank you.